Welcome, Golf Cart Homesteaders! It's Dave from Golf Cart Garage, here to help you discover why we're the best friend your cart ever had. We know lots of golf cart owners see their cart as the best tool to haul heavy loads, maintain large properties, or even help with pets, gardening, or just getting the mail, without ever taking a swing with a golf club. And those who've golfed with me would probably tell you I should stick to gardening too. Whether it's improving curb appeal or transport around the homestead, we want to help you get the most out of your cart. Maybe an upgrade or two would help make it the right partner for the job, so our Homesteaders playlist will have videos to cover what's important to you, like charging and battery maintenance, along with outfitting the cart with everything that you'll need, from lifts and tires for clearance, boxes or hitches for hauling, and great accessories to make today's ride more customized and enjoyable. And for those that might not have local repair services in your area, we'll make sure to load up our playlist with plenty of easy maintenance and install videos so you can DIY and keep moving. Our website also includes a special resource section to make it easier for you to maintain and upgrade the vehicle that does everything from transport and independence on the homestead to simply giving us a fun project to work on or show off. The link to that page is in the video description so you can see for yourself. Here you'll find easy access to the items homesteaders ask us for the most, along with answers to frequently asked questions and more, all tailored to help drivers like you understand, upgrade, and enjoy your cart. And it's not just our playlist and the website that's dedicated to helping homesteaders. Our customer care specialists know what it's like to look at your cart as a member of the family that helps with all the chores, and we'd love to assist via email, chat, or telephone. We're already your cart's best friend. We should hang out sometime. So stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call at 1-800-401-2934 so we can help show you around the garage. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more episodes. Thanks for watching GCG TV.